If you're watching this, you didn't arrive here by coincidence. Something within your frequency guided you, a quiet pull from the universe, calling you to remember who you are beyond the limits of thought, form, and time. There comes a moment in every soul's journey when reality begins to whisper. You start noticing patterns, repeating numbers, vivid dreams, unexpected synchronicities, and somewhere deep inside, you know these are not random. They are the language of the quantum field, communicating directly with your consciousness. Everything that exists, from galaxies to human emotion, is vibration. The universe itself is not made of solid matter, but of oscillating energy, constantly in motion, responding to intention and awareness. Quantum physics has shown us that the observer and the observed are not separate. What we focus on changes, not because of magic, but because consciousness itself shapes the field around it. Every thought is a pulse of energy, every emotion, a wave that ripples through the invisible structure of existence. And together, they form the architecture of your reality. When your thoughts are scattered in fear, doubt, or limitation, your vibration becomes fragmented, and the world mirrors that state back to you through confusion, delay, and resistance. But when your energy aligns with clarity, gratitude, and love, the field around you begins to rearrange. You attract experiences that resonate with that same harmony. Reality is not fixed, it's fluid. It bends to the rhythm of your awareness, and you are the composer of that rhythm. Quantum consciousness is not about forcing outcomes. It's about becoming aware that everything you perceive is part of your own energetic reflection. When you shift your inner world, your outer world has no choice but to follow. The universe does not respond to what you want, it responds to what you are, to the frequency you carry in your thoughts, your emotions, and your intentions. That's why alignment is more powerful than effort. When you feel at peace within, you enter coherence, a state where your heart and mind vibrate together. In that harmony, creation becomes effortless. Imagine standing before an infinite field, a vast ocean of potential, shimmering with possibilities. Every version of your life already exists within that field. Your awareness is the compass that decides which one you experience. When you hold a thought with deep emotion, you send a signal into this field, like a frequency broadcast, and the field responds, rearranging atoms, opportunities, and events to match your broadcast. This is not fantasy, it's physics. The energy you emit shapes the fabric of your experience. So, how do you begin to shift your frequency? Start with awareness. Notice the energy behind your thoughts. Are they rooted in fear or love? In doubt or trust? You don't have to silence your mind, only to observe it. Awareness itself is transformation. The moment you recognize a limiting thought, you begin to dissolve its power. Next, feel gratitude, not as a forced emotion, but as a quiet recognition of what already is. Gratitude instantly raises your vibration and aligns you with expansion instead of lack. And finally, visualize from the energy of already having, not from wanting, but from knowing. The quantum field mirrors certainty. When you live in this awareness, reality begins to flow differently. People appear at the perfect moment. Doors open effortlessly. Synchronicities guide you toward the timeline that matches your vibration. This is quantum consciousness in motion, the merging of science and soul. You are no longer separate from the universe. You are co creating with it in every breath, every heartbeat, every thought. Remember, you are not a small being trying to reach a higher power. You are that power, expressing itself through human experience. The light you see in the stars is the same energy that lives within you. The same intelligence that creates galaxies is pulsing through your heart right now. You are infinite awareness, dreaming itself into form. So take a deep breath, let go of resistance. Feel the vibration of your being expand into the stillness. This is you, beyond thought, beyond time, beyond limitation. You are the observer. You are the creator. You are the consciousness that shapes reality. And when you remember this truth, everything changes. If this message resonated with your soul, it's a sign your awakening has already begun. Subscribe for more transmissions on consciousness, energy, and quantum creation. Like this video to anchor this frequency into your reality. Share your experience in the comments. What signs, synchronicities, or dreams have been guiding you lately? Your awakening isn't ahead of you, it's happening, right now, within you.